Para naman sa ground na pwedeng gamitin for annulment, ito yung sa walang consent ng parents. If you're 18 years old or more, but below 21 years old, ang kailangan mo bago ka magpakasal ay parental consent. So kapag walang parental consent, magiging pwedeng ma-annul yung marriage mo. Pero sino ang pwedeng mag-file at kailan pwedeng file? Meron kasi siyang prescriptive period or time frame na pwedeng gamitin or pwedeng mag-file. Otherwise, hindi na siya pwedeng magagamit. So, dun sa scenario number 1, yung parent or guardian na dapat magbigay sa'yo ng consent, kailangan sila ang mag-file until mag-reach ka ng 21 years old or before you reach the age of 21 years old. After 21 years old, ikaw na ang pwedeng mag-file. Pero, you only have 5 years after reaching the age of majority. So, by the time you're 21 years old, plus 5, up until 26 ka lang. Now, pag 27 ka ngayon, hindi na siya pwedeng gamitin. Now, kung 40 ka, lalong hindi na siya pwedeng gamitin. Ibang ground na lang, psychological incapacity, legal separation, or pag dumating yung divorce natin, yung divorce. Pero for legal separation, hindi kayo pwedeng magpakasal sa iba. You are still legally married, but you can live separately. Sa ibang katanungan nyo, please go ahead and follow and DM me. I will answer your questions. And if you want or you have more questions than 5, let's set up an online consultation.